Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write an essay on Republic Day. You can also write this content under the topic 10-line short essay on Republic Day in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Republic Day is a special day in India celebrated on January 26th every year. Second line is it marks the day when our country's constitution came into effect in 1950. Third line is on this day we honor the leaders who worked hard for our freedom. Fourth line is we celebrate our unity in diversity as people from different backgrounds come together. Fifth line is it is a time to remember and appreciate the rights and duties given to us by the Constitution. sixth line is we feel proud to be Indians and show respect for our country. Seventh line is it is a joyful occasion filled with cultural events and patriotic enthusiasm. Eighth line is schools and communities across the country organize events. Ninth line is it is a day to cherish our democratic values. Last line is it reminds us to be responsible citizens and work towards the progress of our nation.